Hey there, YouTube. Well, yeah, with the winter weather, for whatever reason, my car seems to be going through all kinds of sensors, and I had my check engine light come on the other day. I have a E90 BMW, and just to kind of figure out what I was looking at in terms of repairs, I figured I would go out and get an OBD2 Code Reader. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, every car that was developed since 1996 has to implement the OBD2 standard, and within like 2 feet of your steering wheel, I believe, there has to be a plug. And so I'll show that to you. So I stopped by Harbor Freight looking for a code reader because they had some reasonably priced ones, but the shelves were bare. And as it turns out, they have just come out with this new Zurich code reader. It's just, I'm not sure whether it's its own brand or whether this is one of those special Harbor Freight brands. But so I sprung for it, and we'll give her a try. So I went for, they had all of these models here. They were in the back room, they weren't even on the shelf. So I sprung for this one simply because it can do the battery reset, which I hope will work on my BMW. You know, it says it has European vehicle coverage, so we'll see how it works. So now you get this quick start guide here. Runs through all the buttons and whatnot, and it has some fairly simple instructions. Just plug it in, turn the key on without starting the engine, and it's supposed to automatically link and read out the codes. There's the contents of the package. As you can see, we get the code reader. We got a cable. Plugs right in there. This must be a Harbor Freight branded, it must be one of their brands, because it came with the Thunderbolt Magnum batteries, which are, I've only ever seen these at Harbor Freight. So, and it came with a USB cable, which I guess plugs right into the bottom there for doing software updates. And so I was warned, when I bought it, that I don't think the update is there yet, up on the internet, because it's so new. So I figured we'd just kind of hook it up, see how it works. Alright, so I'll get the batteries in it, we'll head out to the vehicle and see if we can read out the codes. Well, on my vehicle, you can see that service engine soon light is on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and shut off the engine. We'll just put the key back in. And you can see the OBD2 port right there. Take this, plug it in, close the door, shut off that beeping. Alright, well, it automatically started up the code reader for me. Didn't even have to turn it on. So I'll select English there. Standard unit of measurement. Alright, and it's just going and reading all the codes for me. Having one of these tools, it's invaluable. It'll just save you so much money. I mean, because you know, you can look up the codes online. This one might, oh, all right, so it recognized that it's a BMW. All right, engine position system A. Oh, I guess you can see it. Well, all right. P1554. Well, it got me the information that I was looking for, so money well spent on that anyways. And it was pretty easy to use. So I'll go ahead and look that up, and yeah, we'll see what I'm dealing with. So anyways, $140, brand new from Harbor Freight, Zurich OBD2 Code Reader. Alright, so one more update on this. You know, it's real nice that it you can go out to the vehicle, read in the codes, and then it remembers them. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I just fired it back up. Alright, so there you can see it's got the 1554. That's code 1 of 2. And if I go and scroll up there. Alright, so camshaft position time. So yeah, it's like 6 degrees outside. It's brutal. So that was kind of nice that I could run out there, read the codes, get back in the warm, and do my research. And another nice feature is that it's got this this light here, and I really like that, because probably half the time you're using one of these things, it's dark out. So, all right, thank you.